How to make GIF on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how to make GIF on iPhone using the Shortcuts app. So let's dive right in. On the Shortcuts app, tap on the plus icon on the top right, and then in the search bar, search for GIF, tap on Make GIF, and then tap on Content, and then tap on Shortcut Input. After you've done that, you'll need to rename your GIF. So tap on the top Make GIF option, and then you can tap on the rename option. Go ahead and tap on it and then rename it however you want. And then on the bottom, you can see various icons. Tap on the eye icon on the middle and there toggle on Show in Share Sheet. So once you've toggled it on, come back and go to the share option with an arrow, and then scroll down, and there you'll have to tap on New Shortcut and then tap on Share. So you'll have to create an iCloud link. So once you tap on Allow Once or Always Allow according to your wish, and then go to your gallery and choose the photo which you want to make a GIF. So once you've done that, tap on the share icon on the bottom left, scroll down, and then tap on New Shortcut 2, and then your GIF will be created. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks, and hit the notification bell to not miss any updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.